Welcome to East Washington Chiropractic. I'm Dr. Eric Wolf, and today I'd like to give you a tour of our office. This is our therapy room. In the front, you can see we have our IST tables, or intersegmental traction tables. It's a roller bed that goes up and down the spine to help promote spinal flexibility. On the other side of the wall, that's where we utilize ice and heat. The ice helps to reduce inflammation, and the heat helps to initiate the soft tissue healing process. This is Dr. Anthony Wolf's adjustment room. This is my adjustment room. These are the exam rooms. And in this room, we have our in-house X-ray machine.